Let's see if this will start. Nope. Today we're gonna observe a very rare species called Autus photographus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think we found them in their natural habitat. Who doesn't love an AE86? Hey guys and girls, Pjort here, and Uras is in front of me. You can see Uras here. And we're going filming afterwards, and maybe to a little surprise that you're gonna see. So stay tuned. I'm gonna switch over to some rollies. See you. The car I'm driving in is our Celica Mark II, the one we are trying to sell. And sorry for the shaking camera, but this car doesn't really have good GoPro mounts. It was 8 degrees Celsius the other day, and as soon as it starts hitting 0, and that's gonna happen within maybe a week or two, they're gonna start salting. And many of our cars don't like salt. We prefer not to drive them when they start to salt, because it just eats up the body and eats up the paint. So as soon as they start getting cold, we are going to put the cars back in storage and not take them out before next year. So this is probably going to be one of the last drives that we make this year. Who doesn't love an AE86? Especially a modified one. Really, really cool. There's so many awesome cars here. There's probably about 5, maybe 10 cars that I would love for us to have. That a liftback Celica, the old ones. That's actually the same car as the one we have for sale right now. The big difference is that this is a coupe, it's not a 3-door, and it has a turbo engine. That, I think it's a Corona. It's an old Corona. Another Mark V, another Celica Mark I, T-Sport, so many cool cars. Even in little Denmark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and another 2 Aristos outside. Even in little Denmark, that's kind of cool. Hey, we know that one. And we know that one. let's see if this will start. Nope. Yay! Get an old Japanese car, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Yeah. That's a supercharged one. Let's go.
We gon' make it all to the top. We ain't gonna plan tonight. We gonna take action on our dreams and fight. Alright. We gonna take action on our dreams and fight. Alright. We gonna take action on our dreams and fight. We ain't thinking small, thinking light. We just want it all in our sights. Move quicker, see the big picture. You could be selfish or you could be a giver. Go wizard, problem solve fixer. We ain't giving up till it's all delivered. Don't stop at the top, we gon' make it alright. No loss, just hard working and some long nights. Get lost, we dive deeper, disciplined life. The cost of sweat, time, yeah, we're the price. I don't care, we don't fake, no way. Negativity, any hate, I got no space. We gon' put on. When everybody thinks they know ya, and y'all don't even know I own ya. And now I'm ready taking over, 'cause every day I'm getting closer. Just look at everything I'll show ya. And now I'm ready, I'ma blow up. Yeah.
Part of the photo shoot right now, setting up the cars and everything. I hope you enjoy this. We do. Shh, shh. Today we're gonna observe a very rare species called Autus photographus. Shh. Look, I think we found them in their natural habitat. They're very, very easy to scare away, so don't make a sound. All that flock are the species of Autus photographus.
I'ma make a couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn to. Turn up to the max, get me faded till I'm gone, dude. I do what I want, couldn't stop me if you wanted to. I just work hard, yeah, harder than the rest. Some people say I'm lucky, others saying that I'm blessed. But I keep my head down, cause I crave progress. You ain't never gonna stop me, cause it's my conquest. And I'm never gonna rest, yeah. And y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm alone, yeah. When everybody thinks they know ya, and y'all don't even know I own ya. And now I'm ready taking over, 'cause every day I'm getting closer. Just look at everything I'll show ya. And now I'm ready, I'ma blow up. Yeah.
And the police was also here. So one of our friends came out in this lady over there, she's smoking on a gas station. Oh, shit! And she just kicked us out. It's a cardboard box